This is my first time ever drawing Frosty and Rudolph. Growing up, I never celebrated Christmas, and my mom did allow us to look at, these shows growing up. And this was two of my favorite shows, Rudolph and Frosty the Snowman, amongst other Christmas movies. But yeah, this is my first time ever drawing it. So y'all, I don't have every clip in there, but majority of the process is in this video. So y'all enjoy and have a happy holidays. So long. Also, family, y'all put in the description box what is your favorite Christmas movie. And yeah, all right, so long again. Enjoy.